Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign with DocuSign. First, check your email inbox for a message from DocuSign. Always confirm the sender is legitimate before clicking any links. Protecting your information is key. Once verified, simply click the prominent Review Document button. This action will open your document securely in a new browser window, ready for your attention. DocuSign provides clear navigation, making the process straightforward. It will automatically direct you to each spot where a signature or initial is required, usually marked with a bright yellow tab. Before you apply any marks, take a moment to thoroughly review the entire document, reading every section. Confirm that all included information is precisely as you expect and that you fully understand its contents, preventing any future misunderstandings. To add your signature, simply click on each yellow sign or initial tag presented on the document. The system will then prompt you to either adopt a standardized signature style, generated from your name, or to draw your own custom signature using your mouse or touchscreen. After your selection, DocuSign will automatically place your chosen signature precisely in the designated areas, ensuring everything is aligned correctly on the form. Once every required field has been completed with your signature or initials, locate and click the Finish button, typically found at the top or bottom of the screen. This action finalizes the signing process and sends the document back to all parties involved. You will then receive a confirmation email, usually within 5 minutes, containing a fully executed copy of your signed document. Be sure to download and securely save this copy for your personal records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.